Hey boys, what's going on? It's been a while. So, well, let's go over some things, I guess. I'm just trying to think here, and I didn't really think this through. I just hit record and then started to go. It was loud as hell. So I'm in the Ford. You know, I've gotten some complaints about there not being any Ford vlogs, and I've modified the Ford, and I decided to not vlog it and document it. So let's go ahead and let's document it. All right. So I'm pulling in, and I'll get out and I'll show you in a second. But basically, I did a few things, and I've got some things coming in too tomorrow, actually, which are exciting. But for you, will be in a few minutes. Basically, I put a few months ago. Yeah, this is a while ago, so my bad. But a few months ago, I put in a cold air intake system for the Ford, since the original air intake system, the big plastic hose that went across the front end of the engine, was failing. It wasn't creating a good seal, and when I took it out, and I'll show you in a second, it's in the back, it was disgusting. The inside had these rubber hoses that the previous owner decided to glue into it so that he could glue to where they hook up, so to the engine and then to the air filter housing unit. So it was disgusting, and like I said, I'll show you in a second. One moment, I'm going to put you guys down for a moment so I can back up into my driveway. Okay. Whoa. All right, one moment. Okay. So, basically, it's gross. It's absolutely disgusting, and whoever decided that was a good idea was... Oh gosh, they had something going on. Let me show you what I did. One moment. All right. All right. So basically, there's the cold air intake system. The hose that was connected to the engine and into the air intake or the air filter box or housing, whatever, was it was horrible. It was failing. It was disgusting. I also replaced this little doodad, which creates a vacuum seal. You can see right there it's pushed inward, which is creating a really nice vacuum seal. And originally it was leaking fluids, and you can see the rust trail that it created going down the engine bay. And you can see it going all the way down there because it was leaking out onto this and down. So now it doesn't leak anymore, creates a good seal. Let's see, what else did I do? I believe I fixed the... Yeah, okay, so this is the brake fluid. I fixed the brakes on the vehicle and the brake lines, because the brake lines were really bad. They are now replaced, which is... I have no idea. Okay, you see that gold line right there? Fixed that. And I did the same on the other side, because the other side then failed. But, you know, they were OEM, they were original lines, so they, you know, are almost 30 years old. They failed, so I fixed them. And I think I've got a leak with the wiper fluid, because all of this, like, moist mess that's going on over there, something's going on. I don't know if it's boiling through or what, I don't know, like the pressure or something. Something's getting a little freaky over there. But other than that, that funnel is in the front. You know, the air comes in, gets led through that funnel and up into here, and then it's sucked right into there. Nice cold air being directly sucked into the engine, and it's keeping it really fresh. Now, the one thing that I don't know about is this vacuum seal line. So my dad, being the great mechanic that he is, had just told me to plug the line. So I plugged the line with a little screw. Keeps the vacuum seal, and it keeps any unwanted air from getting into the engine where it doesn't belong. So yeah. But that's pretty much it for the engine. And I'm gonna go show you the old line right now. So let me go show you that. Ugh. Oh yes. Yeah, don't mind the mess. That's... just ignore that. I'll explain that maybe never. So basically, I also got a tow hitch kit. So this will be mounted to the frame, and then I've got, you know, lock and key for the actual ball, which is behind this puncrete and this broken plate. So there's the ball, as well as the actual hitch itself, which is hidden back here. But here's the original line, and as you can see, the previous owner decided to glue this tube on the inside of the line and tape it to try and create a seal. Same with the other side. Don't know what he was thinking. So one ended up inside here, and then the other ended up on the other end. It was horrible. So that's the old air filter housing, and that's the old intake. And I also have this. That's gonna cover the thing when the ball, you know, it's gonna go on the hitch when the ball's not on there. I also got like a little kit, you know, just have some stuff here and there for, you know, when you never know when you're gonna need anything extra, as well as broken plates, but that's besides the point. Anyways, that's just about it. And in a few minutes for you guys, but you know, tomorrow for me, I ordered a computer for the truck. And by that, I mean the little thing that's gonna read my engine and tell me what's wrong with it. Because I think it's that right there. I'm pretty sure. But basically, you know, the check engine light's always on, and we haven't been able to figure out if it's like a vacuum seal or something else, and we want to know. So I got a little computer, and it'll be in tomorrow, and we're gonna mess with it, and we're gonna see if we can figure out what's wrong with the engine and then fix it. But that's pretty much it for this for now. I actually might make this a separate thing because this is a pretty long video. So actually, when I get it, I'll make a separate video all about the computer, because I also need to learn how to use it, all that other stuff. So for now, get hyped, get excited. It's gonna be fun, okay? And I hope you guys enjoyed. So thank you all for being patient and sticking with me through these vlogs. I hope to do more, and I am saving up really, like, I'm trying my best to save up. I've got quite a lot saved up so far, but I'm really trying to save up for the wrap, which is the whole thing that's gonna make it look like that. So I'm really trying, and hope, like, fingers crossed that I can do this within the next couple of months. I really hope. So that's the plan. Anyways, see you guys next video.